Hey everybody, welcome back to Upstate Speedtests. Today was launch day of the Galaxy S23 series, and I happened to go to pick up my wife's S23 Ultra, which if you watch until the end of the video, there's an unboxing and speed tests on the phone for you guys to watch. But I figured while I was here in the store, I'd run a speed test for you guys on both Verizon and T-Mobile on my 14 Pro Max. The store is served by a small cell down the street that I've done in a previous video. I'll try to put a link in the upper right corner to that video of the test outside. And that small cell's older now. It needs an update or better backhaul or something. T-Mobile is being served by a macro or a main cell tower on the hilltop on the other side of the valley with N41 and 5G, whereas Verizon, that small cell is just running LTE, so nothing special, and again, it does need to be updated. So here's the tests. I hope you guys enjoy, and make sure to give the video a thumbs up and click subscribe. It would really help me and the channel out. Thanks a lot, guys. Let's watch. Alright guys, what's going on? It's been a couple hours. I got everything transferred over for the wife. Over there is her old S22 Plus. This is the new S23 Ultra like you just saw us unbox. So let's run a speed test on Verizon. This is the very first speed test over cellular. These are very, very typical results for my neighborhood where I live. Very typical for the cell tower I'm connected to. You guys have seen it before. It's one of the big, super tall macros that has been around forever. Unfortunately, no C-band on it yet. However, like you saw in one of my videos, a couple towers down out in the middle of nowhere, there's some C-band, so that's pretty cool. All right, let me connect it to my Wi-Fi. My Wi-Fi is Wi-Fi, I can't get it to focus, is Wi-Fi 6E connected to gigabit, Wi-Fi 6E connected to gigabit service on Greenlight Fiber. Great provider. If you have the opportunity to get them, you definitely should. If I was downstairs closer to the router, this would have no problem hitting the 900 down. So there's Wi-Fi 6E on gigabit service. Let's try now. Oh, another thing I should mention, this phone is actually one of the first that is Wi-Fi 7 capable. But, you know, I just got a Wi-Fi 6E router, so let's try that one just for kicks. So here's Wi-Fi 6E again, connected to a New York City server. I have a Netgear Nighthawk Wi-Fi 6E router. It's one floor below us. Well, I don't know what's going on with that upload. That's weird. This is the lavender color. The lighting's a little weird. Kind of looks white in this lighting. Can't wait to try those periscope cameras out on a day when it's not super gross and cloudy out. Let's see. It was kind of snowing all day today, so even if I had the phone earlier, it wouldn't really show you the true potential. All right, let's try a Dish wireless server in Philadelphia. Philly's about 4 hours from here. Yeah, there's some Wi-Fi 6E speed right there. Will it break 8? Yes, it will. Yeah, 900 upload. We had Spectrum for years, so getting those speeds is like a dream. Alright guys, well thanks for watching. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up if you had fun, and click subscribe down below. Thanks a lot.